Hey, welcome everybody. Today we're doing a blowgun from the Amazon jungle. It got broken in shipping. So now we're going to put it back together for the customer. This is an original deal, so we're going to be real careful not to get anything on the inside where the blow channel really works, because it's going to still be functional when it's done. And we'll use this little sandpaper rod to clean it all out and be careful not to get anything on the inside. So stick around and we'll just keep this thing running. This will be fun. When's the last time you've seen a blowgun get repaired? Probably not. Actually, a blowgun speared. So all right, here, watch this go. You notice I cut the bristles down off of one of these little stiff brushes because I don't want a whole bunch. I'm not going to sit here and push this on with my fingers or anything like that. That's not what you want to do. There's going to be plenty. Normally, even with epoxies, you only need to do one side because you're not being so critical. But here, I have only very small mating surfaces, but there's a lot of them. You can see all the different variations in the wood, right? Now I can see already on this edge, I got some glue down on that side. So while I have everything out and open, you just take and wrap up a little rods. I use the back of a drill. You can use anything that works for you. Okay, there we go. And then now we're gonna put her together. I'm gonna turn this unit straight up. Okay. I'm just gonna slowly press it down in there. You wanna be careful not to get stuff all over your hands and start transferring it all over your project. Okay. And I'm doing this kind of slow because you want the glue to have a chance to ooze out before you go making all your final inspections. So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching, hanging out. If you like this kind of stuff, like and subscribe. Anyway, don't always just fix a chair leg. It's all set up. It's about 90% set up. So what we do here is, you can see there's a piece of tape on here. We line a little piece of tape jagged on one edge, straight on the other edge, and then we slice it. Right? And that lets us put this thing back exactly where it was before we've taken it apart. And we've gone to the liberty of popping this loose. Right? So that's what that looks like. And this is what the blowgun looks like. But as you can see, it doesn't fit. Even if I turn it a quarter turn, it stops right there. I turn it an eighth of a turn, it stops right there. It's not gonna go unless I hit it just exactly perfect. All right, so that's a good tip there. We're not gonna put, unlike this piece here, where we used a 30-minute glue. It's a little bit thinner. This is from Gorilla Glue. It's a pretty good epoxy. It's a 5-minute set, so it's a little thicker, and it doesn't run to the lowest point, and it doesn't settle as fast because it sets up faster. So we're gonna put it on a bit heavier, avoiding the ends here. I don't need to put a lot on the inside of this. I'm gonna put a few bands of glue inside to make sure we get good contact. But as that glue dries, I'm gonna rotate it, and the glue will just stick to its original walls and create a perfect bond, especially for a piece like a mouthpiece. Okay, well, we got the glue back on here. We took it apart, put glue all around the outside, put it back together, used these rubber bands as clamps, squeezed it all out, got all the excess out of it. You know, always keep your glue around, let it set up. Like you can see now, it's still soft, right? But that'll change up here real quick. We've cleaned it all up. Okay, see how we do? Oh yeah, that's your secret tool, by the way. Don't cut the edge, cut beside it. You see how I even left that right there? That's because I want that. Okay, there you go. Bang! Look at that, huh? Nothing to it, right? Nothing to it. Yep, nothing to it. What in the world? This feels a little rough. Here's what I do. This is a 600 grit. All right. When you have something rough, look at it, feel it. I immediately felt something. This is probably that glued edge. There's other fillers in there. They're all kind of roughy, huh? Make sure we're not chasing a ghost. Oh look, that shines up even better. It's probably a lot of just gunk. But so this is friction. Something new if you're never used to it. And now that's lighter than that, and it's still drying, so we can shade that off. If there's stuff that's on it, sand it off. God dang it, I want to take that dang clamp off. Who watched the other one pop off? Hey, if you guys are liking it this far, like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Okay, look at this, all back together, ready for another battle. Ooh-ah! But anyway, thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you around on the next one. That was fun. If you want to see this thing get transformed, look down below in the little comments up there, down there where you can find them, and I'll show you how we do this piece. So a lot more to come. Thanks a lot for joining me, and we'll see you around on the next one. This has been fun. Talk to you soon.